It's Friday, September 22nd, and I've got my brand new iPhone 15 Pro, and you'll have to excuse the echo because I'm recording this short in the bathroom. You're probably thinking, why are you in the bathroom? Stick with me, there's a method to my madness. I recently went to the Apple store to have the screen replaced on my iPhone 14 Pro because it was severely scratched from a drop that I had taken, and I don't typically use screen protectors with my phones. However, even with AppleCare Plus, Apple considers scratches cosmetic only, and they won't replace the screen unless it's been cracked. So with that in mind, I decided I'm going to try a screen protector on my new iPhone 15 Pro, and I decided to go for the Spigen tempered glass screen protector because of the rave reviews it gets on Amazon. If you're like me, the idea of getting a dust particle under your screen protector will drive you crazy. So I read online that going into the bathroom and turning the shower on hot for a few minutes and getting some steam in the air will help the dust particles to settle. Also, if you want to be super thorough, make sure you turn off your air conditioner or heater so that there's no dust stirring from that as well. Wipe down your counter space really good with a wet cloth and then dry it, and then you'll be ready to begin. The kit comes with cleaning wipes, microfiber cloth, dust removal stickers, and 2 screen protectors as well as a squeegee. I obviously won't be using one of those screen protectors, so I'll put that back and save that for later. Generally speaking, you want to wipe down the screen of your phone and make sure there's absolutely zero dust or debris. But since I'm starting with a brand new iPhone, that won't be as much of a concern here. I'm going to peel off the adhesive back of the screen protector before I apply it. Once you peel it off, you want to get it on there pretty quick so that there's no opportunity for dust or debris to fall. Press and slide in the middle in both directions and you'll see it begin to apply to your screen. Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, gently remove the sticker. Then you can use the hole in the middle to be able to remove the plastic cover. Remove the protective film and then use the squeegee to get out any air bubbles. And that is how you apply the Spigen tempered glass screen protector to your brand new iPhone 15 Pro. If you'd like to pick one of these up, links are down in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.